Hi everyone, this is Mouse Rolex FX once again. I just wanna do a quick review again on Nas100. Um, Yesterday, I spoke about this fair value gap. I drew a fair value gap. Let me draw it again. You see below this bullish candle on that wick, or we can even use the body, and on top of this bearish candle we have you can see there's a space there where the market did not fill up. So what will usually happen, the market will want to come and fill up the space there, so we'll want to come and repaint just to balance. So you can see the market, the bias is buy, or should I say bullish. On Friday we went to take the highs up here. I did a video, you can also check one of my videos. On Tuesday the market from Monday the market was going down. So the market was going down because it wanted to come and fill up this space here, repaint it. And plus we have a bullish order block. Why bullish order block? You can see this is a rejection candle. This rejection candle is the one that caused this bullish move. So once this candle comes here, I said we will see a reaction. Market wants to go up because according to what I know, what I've learned, we're still bullish, but it doesn't mean the market goes in a straight line. The market will never go in the straight line. It must go there, sell off, accumulate. The market does not go in a straight line. So this is what really happened yesterday. I was expecting after this they made a deep sell off just to let the retail traders to think it's a continuation. They have to sell. 4:30, as you know, the indices will open. Let me go to 5 minutes. The indices will open 4:30, 9:30 in New York. In South Africa is 4:30. That's when we have to start looking for our bread and butter concepts where we can participate. So you can see in the morning the market was consolidating, still doing a sell off up to that daily order block. It needed to come, it can come in the middle, even in the middle of this candle, or you can even sometimes close the candle, but there will be a week after. There will be a week, maybe there will be want you to take any stops that are resting below, sell stops that are resting below here, but usually it will just bounce on top of the body of the bullish order block or that bearish candle. So let's go to 5 minutes for yesterday. There's cool things that I also wanna share here, but this MT4 sometimes it will do its own thing. Let me do this. I want to also share something about the proper support and resistance. If you open your thing, let me go to US30. Let me go to US30. I think that's where I saw, yes, I saw a let's go to US30. It is one and the same thing. What I'm teaching you here, or what I'm explaining here on US30, you can go check it in. You see, yeah, here. There's a gap here. Let me highlight it. I'm not good with MT, working around this thing. I think I must get a lesson on. I must teach myself more how to use this thing, because sometimes you try and drag it where you wanna go, it does its own thing. But quickly, you see on Monday, if you can check weekly open, there's a gap between, go 5 minutes on your chart, you will see there's a gap. This gap, if you didn't know, it is the proper support and resistance. So you go there, you drag it all over to today. You will see wonders, and then you will thank me later. You see, I've dragged it. Make sure you drag it up to today's trading. I don't want to do a long video, but I think I have to share this. Is very important. Let me do this. Yeah, I've dragged that opening gap, weekly opening gap, up to today's market. So this gap, people, my mentor taught me that, and I've studied this thing many times. This is going to be, because the market, you can see yesterday it went, and then there's a change of character. It went, and then it took these highs and then went back, and then it didn't go up to here where I was expecting that will go here. Let's go to daily. Let's go to daily. You see also on daily for US30, there was where the market has to come and repaint. I call it repaint. It's a fair value gap. The market usually has to come back and repaint it. Let me show you here. If I can extend this will also, because the market decided to buy, this is again going to be your support and resistance. Let me do this. This is going to be, you see, this bullish order block, and also this bullish rejection candle. If I go to 5 minutes, yesterday, oh God, where is it? Let me go and extend it again. Maybe I have to extend it. Yes, I have to extend it, and let me change the color. Let me make it another color just to show you. Let's go 5 minutes. You see what happened yesterday. The market, this is Asian session. I can say this can't be a London low, but it's between the opening of New York session. You see the market went up, change of character, took any highs resting or liquidity resting here, and then went to retrace. Check what happened. Why didn't the market also here? There's a gap that we have to be mindful of today. Check what is here. What is that? Check what is. We have to be mindful of these things. You don't ignore gaps in the market, because the price has to come and rebalance it. This also speaks volumes. This gap here, there's a gap that happened. So usually this is going to be your, most probably it's supposed to be your support today. If they decide to go up, they should come here even maybe tomorrow or the other day. If they're going to be doing any retracement, this is going to be their stop sign. They will stop here. So this is the fair value gap. This yellow is the fair value gap on daily candle. Check how the candles will respect the high of that bullish order block and the low of that a bullish candle, and then after it becomes support. So can you see what is the real support and resistance? check how the candles will respect the top of that bearish candle, and check how the candles will respect the top, or should I say the body of that bullish candle that was facing down, and after it goes and then gets support on top of it. So this is what you call support and resistance. So today we'll have to wait for the market to either come here. If it doesn't come here, it will come and have support here, and then maybe do their buy. Maybe later on they will want to come here for support, and then this is where the big banks will start buying again. This is where you have to start your trade, and you can just put your stop loss underneath here, because you see the indices are very universal. They don't do like the currencies, they don't give you weeks. So even if you can put your stop sign, not your stop sign, I'm sorry, your stop loss just there, you are safe. So this is what we call real support and resistance. Where there's gaps, it is always going to be, if you are bullish, this is where you're gonna be taking your trades. Once the candles come, taps just the bottom of this block, you put your buy. And then what will usually happen on top of this box, it is going to get its support there and go. So people, this is what we call the real support and resistance. I was taught this. I thought I should share with the masses. Why not? So today we will wait for the market to see at 4:30 what will conspire. For now, I cannot take any trade on Nasdaq, because the indices, they open 4:30 in my country, South Africa, 9:30 in New York. So for me, when the indices open, I take it as a new window. It's a new day for me. I will start taking trades maybe after like an hour or so. Thank you. Be mindful of that. Please study it and let me know if it is not the real support and resistance. Thank you.